First order of the day, we've got a muchas gracias. This is gonna be $8 going 5 miles. Thank you. Next order up, we've got a Panera. This one is $15 and some change going just about 9 miles. Pretty high on the mileage, but I've got a feeling there might be a hidden tip on this, so I'm gonna go ahead and take it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sounds good.
I don't think that was actually worth it, to be honest. I'm like really far away. Now I gotta drive back. And there was no extra hidden tip on it. That was just it. Sometimes you get lucky. This time was not one of those times. Next order up, we've got a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one is $11 going 2 miles, 9 items. There are a few repeats in there is the only reason I took it. Otherwise, that would have been a little bit too much shopping for me. Three of these. Got the last 3. Finally got an order. This is a stack actually. Starbucks, $8 going 2 miles.
You pick it up for Nikki?
Yes.
Here, is that for you?
Thank you. It's right here? Yeah. That's fine. Thank you. Thank you. Going back to Starbucks for another stack. This one's gonna be $11 going 5 miles.
That's okay. I hear that. We might have gotten it picked up by someone else, but...
Gotcha, thank you. I don't know if you could hear that, but a little hiccup there. I think somebody had already picked up this second order that I was waiting on because there was only one drink and it wasn't ready nor being made. So kind of figured somebody had picked it up. Well, I really hope they put like a stopper on it. Might have just spilled that drink, so might have to reorder it once more. Oh, this is an apartment complex. I don't have an apartment number. Oh, what is that? What do I see? Some third floor action. Just what I was looking for today. All the way upstairs. Next up, we've got yet another stack. This one is going to a place called a Georgie's Garage and Grill. A funny thing about this place is they have like 3 ghost kitchens, so neither of my orders are actually for Georgie's. One of them is like daydream breakfast burritos. The other one is like bed and breakfast burritos. I don't know. Don't ask me.
Thank you.
Thank you. These two might actually be going to the same apartment complex too. That would be very, very lucky. Gotta love construction. Making me park like a block away. Not really, but making me walk. I think one of them just messaged me saying that they're coming down, but I'm pretty sure I still have to get up there for the other one. 2 orders. I think the other one might also be in there. Could I get access from you?
Yeah.
You were... Yeah. that one for you.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. Have a good one.
Yeah, you as well. Thank you. You guys coming in?
Well, it's going up. We're going down.
Oh, gotcha.
Thanks.
Just got the next order. This is gonna be for Sherry's, $10 going 2 miles. Hello.
All good. Here you go.
Thank
Have
you.
a good day.
Next order just came in. We've got a shop and deliver for alcohol, $8.25 going 4 miles, only one item. And then just scribble on that line for me. All right, I'm pretty much over it for the day. So, gonna be calling it here. Current time is 11:13. Current total is 84. And I should have just one Uber tip yet to come in, but it should be a big one because I saw the base pay and it was like nothing. So if I get the full pay for that one, it should bring it up to around 93, 94. Anyways, that is gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.